I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I walk to school. I walk to school. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I walk the dog. I walk the dog. I pay for the food. I pay for the food. I buy some bread. I buy some bread. I type on the computer. I type on the computer. I listen to music. I listen to music. I clean the table. I clean the table. I throw away the trash. I throw away the trash. I write a note. I write a note. I wash my clothes. I wash my clothes. I watch TV. I watch TV. I drink hot tea. I drink hot tea. I peel the banana. I peel the banana.
I open the fridge. I open the fridge.
I wash my face. I wash my face. I feed the cat. I feed the cat. I pack my bag. I pack my bag.
I dry my hands.
I dry my hands. I feed the fish. I feed the fish. I hang my shirt. I hang my shirt. I turn off the computer. I turn off the computer. I drink hot tea. I drink hot tea. I put on my coat. I put on my coat. I buy some food. I buy some food. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I cook the dinner. I cook the dinner. This book is very interesting. This book is very interesting. I am cooking dinner now. I am cooking dinner now. These apples look fresh. These apples look fresh. Can I have a coffee, please? Can I have a coffee, please? Please? I am working on my project. I am working on my project. I show the plan. I show the plan. I am cooking dinner now. I am cooking dinner now. I buy the groceries. I buy the groceries. I go to the gym. I go to the gym. I water my plants. I water my plants. I print the document. I print the document. I drive to work. I drive to work. I have a head pain.
You should say, I have a headache.
I have a headache. I charge my phone. I charge my phone. I pet the cat. I pet the cat. I watch a movie. I watch a movie. I make a salad. I make a salad. I listen to music. I listen to music. I write a letter. I write a letter. I clean the kitchen. I clean the kitchen. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I drank coffee yesterday. I drank coffee yesterday. I will buy some food. I will buy some food. I read a book last night. I read a book last night. I was cooking when you called. I was cooking when you called. I drink coffee every morning. I drink coffee every morning.